Hello everyone, welcome to a new reaction for No Nah Honk. And I think that this is going super mega extra viral because I see the likes, 30,000 likes. I don't look at the views because they need to adjust. So for sure this will be viral, trending. Honk. And I see a car, so we will see. I'm sure that I will like it. I am sure that this will be another banger. So let's enjoy.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go. Get on the HONK.
It's cool how the person who made the beat used car horns and stuff like that. Of course, I was expecting a banger. It's cool to see that they show versatility because I heard them also singing something different, not only this style. So let's hear more.
Get on the HONK. Get on the HONK. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A on the license plate. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
When you hear No Nah, you will hear like a combination. At least for me, it's like a combination between K-pop or J-pop or how you want to say it, and something like R&B. Just pay attention to how they sing, not only the beat. The beat, of course, it's a banger, but the style that they sing, it's different. I like it. Let's continue.
Get on the HONK. Get on the HONK. Get on the
And where they record, I don't remember if they are in the US. I think that they were in the US at one point. Give me some information because it's been some time since I reacted to them, and of course it's been some time since I got some information about them. I'm not sure. I think that they were in another country, but I might confuse the band. Super banger, really super banger. I understand why it's going viral because it's a club song, it's a song that you can listen in the car, it's a song that you can listen at home, because there are some songs that are specific. For example, if it's a ballad, you won't listen a ballad in the club, right? So being a song that you can listen anywhere, anytime, it will have a lot of success, and I'm happy for them. I see that their channel is at almost 600,000 subscribers. I think that until the end of the year they will be at 2-3 million subscribers, because for example I record this an hour after they uploaded the video. The channel is at almost 600,000 subscribers. Probably when you will watch the reaction, because I won't upload it immediately, you'll see that the number is already much bigger as number of subscribers. It's a cool band. You'll have the link in the description. If this is the first time when you hear No Na, I recommend to you to check out also their other videos. They have really cool videos and really cool songs. I wish everyone to be well, to be safe, and to be free. Goodbye, my friends.